let's go get away.
They say what they're gonna say. I don't know the next part.
The 2, 3, something. We're here at Huntington Beach. There's a sign right there.
Me on Instagram _JANETTE.Rodriguez_.
She has more followers than me.
Of course, because I'm a bad.
I'm the happiest person on earth right now. Like, the beach is right behind me and I'm so excited. I'm gonna make the best bass castle, sand castle ever. So like, oh my god, okay, bye.
Wait, what app do you use to vlog?
This is YouTuber stuff, guys. Just kidding. So she's gonna count right now, and then me and Stephanie are gonna hide. So
Yeah, she's in the other side.
guys, she's in the other side of us. Damn it, I think she knows where she is. She knows where we are. She knows where we are.
36
Guys, there's 36 on that door.
Over there, it's 1 through like 20.
Oh my god, you guys are so smart.
Yeah, I'm gonna end it.
Alright guys, no, come here, follow me. Hey, don't lag. Follow me. We're going to the things that we're gonna hide behind a car. No, let's hide behind a car. There's crackheads over there, dude. No, let's hide behind a car. Okay, let's go, come on. We're running from the zombie apocalypse. Okay guys, so because I know those little kids are gonna tell her where we are, we're gonna try to climb this and go back into the apartments. Okay. Dude, they're right there. Hey, we saw you! Ruby, I saw you first! Oh, gang over here. Just kidding. Ruby, I saw you first. You're it next. Alright guys, so we're here getting Chipotle because Alex wants to be over here a fat ass getting Chipotle.
I'll sue you, kid.
Okay, we're at Chipotle. Alex, are you happy?
I'll sue you.
Whoa, okay. So we got water and then Alex got his burrito. Ooh, Sunglow or whatever Sunk is. Oh shoot! Hey guys, so we're getting ready for the party. We're trying to talk as loud as we can because the music and we don't want to get copyrighted. You already know. Okay. Want to say anything?
No.
Okay. Oh, there you go. Okay. Guess what? He ate it. Oh my god, I wanted to see this all day long.
Yes, I know.
It's on camera.
I pressed record.
And we're going to the supermarket. Oh my god, there's a car.
No, whatever he fell, he got it on camera.
Alright guys, so we are officially here. I'll be recording inside. It's super. Okay. It's super. Okay, bye. There's Nancy walking all alone.
I'll send it to your channel, kid. But you gotta follow me on Snapchat at backupalex19.
Alex, why do you call me a kid? I'm older than you.
By a month. Okay?
By a month, my ass, like 10. Boy, lemon she has, like damn, for the party, like you already know.
Cut the end out.
She looks. Nancy was being extra nice today and bought us some squeezy easies. That's what I call them. They're called juicy drop pop, but I call them squeezy easies from now on. What'd you get?
This team of Auburn.
And she got lemons. We were hiding. He ate it. Where are you? Where's Brian?
He's late.
He ate it.
Dude, I saw Brian jump over the wall. I knew you guys were gonna do something.
Okay, so I'm gonna get this. That is so smart.
Ashley, that is so smart.
I know, right? Thank you. Look at that. Perfect. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching today. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications, and just remember, never see you can, just unless you try to see you can. Alright, bye. Love y'all.